Everyone, welcome. You are watching the Life After CCIE blog. Today we will talk about what next after CCIE. So, do you have any plan? Let me know in the comment section. The CCIE is often considered as the PhD of Cisco certifications. We discussed its value to your career and the demand required to achieve becoming a Cisco certified CCIE, or I can say the Cisco certified inter-network expert in the previous video blog. It's an amazing achievement, but there are also unavoidable questions that what do you do next? For me or for myself, it took me a long time to think about it. I keep multiple options, or I can say that I keep multiple open answers as second CCIE in data center or the service provider or the security, or I will process with the ITIL or PMP or MBA in IT. So I think a lot, and I discussed a lot with many senior persons. So after considering everything and discussion with many senior persons in the industry, I have decided to continue second CCIE as well as the MBA in IT. So the second CCIE would be in the service provider track. Why I decided that one, we will discuss about that one. But before that, keep in mind that I have chosen the next course or the degree as per my career growth and path. Also considered about my current skills and expertise. So it is advised to not follow the same path unless and until you are not thinking the same as me. It's very important. So next question is there, why I have decided to go with the CCIE Service Provider. I will start my journey to CCIE Service Provider because I'm already working on the routing and switching environment, and the service provider path can give me the highest level of routing or tunneling or the services knowledge or the improvement in my current skills. My interest is to work on the routing and some kind of the tunneling with some kind of automation. So I'm working on it, and I'm thinking to enhance my skills with my second CCIE in the service provider. But also there is a fact that first I have to attempt data center core exam, the DCCOR exam, because it is required by the current job profile and somehow or somewhere from the company as well as. I'm planning to attempt DCCOR, I think in this year 2022. I hope in August or September, most probably in the August. So what is your area of interest? Where is your expertise? What is your goal and your second CCIE? Or I can say, what is your goal with your second CCIE? Think about it all. Think about it all and decide your path. Again, don't follow someone else, even me or even someone else. Currently, what is the progress for the second CCIE if we are talking about that one? So currently me, my friend and I have decided to start self-study about CCIE Service Provider. This time I don't have plan to attend any institute for this. But at the end of, or I can say in the next year, after the mid of the next year, we will think about that one, we will check about our progress, our learning path. If required, then we will go with the institute, otherwise not. But currently I have not decided to go with any institute. I will go with the self-study. There are the many courses and many materials are available for the self-study for the service provider. But yeah, this is true that no book, but yeah, many other materials are there. We will discuss the same thing in our next videos. So next question is that why I decided to go with MBA, or why I chosen or I selected the MBA. So why MBA? I think you all are connected to me on LinkedIn or Twitter. So as you know, I'm lacking in the basic education age. I have only a PG diploma in computer science. But my master degree is in the different field. So I have the master degree as well as, but it is in the different field. It's not in the CS. Also, I want to learn about the management, organizational skills. Also trying to learn soft and leadership skills as well as. That is not possible without a proper education path. That's my mind, or I decided to that one. So for pursuing my MBA, I joined DP University Pune, and I'm pursuing MBA in IT. I hope I will learn all required skills and get desired knowledge from this degree. Many people have suggested ITLM or PMP, but I didn't consider that as options, because here I'm getting my second master degree and all required skills as well as with my MBA. I'm not saying that ITLM or the PMP is not a good, but again, I don't want to work on renewing all my certifications after every 2 years or the 3 years. This is not giving me a positive result, because investing time after every 2 years or the 3 years, money and a lot of the things. So I decided to go with the MBA IT. So that's all for the today, and I will keep you updated on my next progress. I'm saying sorry for the previous series of the videos, because I went on the holidays and there I didn't get a chance to record the videos. So all CCIE Enterprises series will resume this week. So see you soon and keep you updated.